Hotties, hello and welcome to my channel Hot For Me. My name is Ernestine and here I share whatever is hot for me, food and gardening, and I always add a dash of chili because the only thing hotter than me is my chili tree, and I hope that the only thing hotter than you is your chili tree. I have this huge palm tree in front of my house that's forever blessing me with branches, and today I want to show you how I use these branches to build raised beds for my garden and trellises. There I've got some beets. It's easy, it's fun, and it works. These branches are strong like iron. Over there, I'm going to zoom in so you can see better. There you go. And it works just fine. I use a knife and cut down all the leaves, and I stack them up and use them as I need them. Just want to show you something else. These parts of the branch are like needles. They can really hurt you, to say the least. I cut them down with a pair of scissors, pliers, use whatever you have, and then I slice them here, and they are all more or less the same size or height. And I use these parts to build raised beds. I'm going to show you now on the other side where I'm preparing raised beds for taros. It's really winter here now, and I'm using this opportunity to gather all the leaves from the garden and to build my taro bed. I discovered taros in an Asian store. They're similar to potatoes, but you can harvest every 3 months, and they need lots of moist soil and soil that retains the moisture. So I'm preparing it, and I've surrounded this raised bed with those bottoms from the tree branches, and in there I've got tires where I will be growing my basil between the taros. I hope this gives you ideas for your... Here I've made a planter from the bottoms of the palm tree branches. I've put 2 of them side by side and just planted it into the ground. I haven't placed any plants in there. On the sides I've got radishes growing, and on this side I've got radishes growing. I hope this helped you to make better use of your palm tree branches instead of having them carted away. Enjoy a fun day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being with me in the garden. It's so hot and it's so much fun to have a hot for you friend just like you. Ciao ciao, and have a hot for you day where the only thing hotter than you is your chili tree.